Alright, next part. It is Sunday. I think it's the 14th of August, 2022. Well, I've done the launcher part of the RPG here with colored pencils. I may go over it with a bit of ink to highlight some of the linear delineations. Now this is going to be a challenge because I usually, when I do things like drawings of lutefisk and gefilte fish, I usually kind of long and elongated. This is very short. It's going to be a challenge. I'm just going to do it extemporaneously. Maybe a number 2 or number 3 pencil, and just kind of go from the subconscious, and I'll see what I come up with, and then I'll work on the color and the detail afterwards. Alright, to be continued. Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series, Artwork in Progress number 51. Memorial to Shireen Abu Akleh, Palestinian journalist slain earlier this year in the never-ending Israeli-Palestinian conflict without end.